I bought a new camera. This is Full HD. It also supports 4K and 5K. Let us see what is inside of this box. First, we have a screen wiper to wipe the screen. Then we have the user manual. A remote control, a USB cable for transferring data or using the camera as a webcam, a cable for the audio, SD card, and also with an adapter, and the camera itself. Very nice camera case. Happy to see this. This is very important for the tripod. So this is the battery. It is inside the memory card or SD card. Very nice. And this is also very important. You have a USB and also a place for inserting or connecting external microphone, and the other one is for TV. This mic is not so expensive, but its quality is 100 times better. So being able to connect in this is very good. Welcome. Here you also have a place for mounting a microphone. The screen is also can be rotated completely to the other side in different angles. Here you have the menu button, mode set, resolution, beauty face, movie size, shooting, self timer, exposure, white balance, quality, sharpness, effect, ISO, anti-shake, face detect, smile capture. So here it has also two flashes. Here is also the speaker. Let me now show you the remote. Game Boy, this was turning off. Let us turn it on. Now this is start recording, taking pictures. So here is the light button. That's it guys, I hope it was helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.